Do you work with a large JSON file and find it takes too long to process? JSON to Parquet conversion can be a handy solution. Parquet is a columnar format that improves query performance, reduces file size through compression, and makes analysis easier. In this tutorial, we'll convert JSON to Parquet with Python, online tools, and a professional offline solution. First, why transform JSON to Parquet? Quick compression, a fast columnar technique easily reduces file size. Better query performance, it stores data in columns, so systems read only the fields you need. Decreases storage costs, smaller files directly lower cloud storage expenses. Maintain schema, it builds a structured schema while reducing processing errors. And improves analytics, column storage speeds up reporting and business operations. Let's picture a few real scenarios. 1. A huge JSON file takes forever to open and process. 2. Your cloud storage bill keeps climbing because of oversized files. 3. An analyst runs slow queries and only needs a few fields. And 4. You're handling deeply nested, or ND JSON data. In each case, Parquet is the fix. So how do you convert JSON to Parquet? Here are 3 quick solutions. Method 1. Use programming libraries, a code-based approach. Method 2. Free online websites. And Method 3. The SysTools Advanced Solution, for quick conversion. Let's take them one by one. Method 1. Convert data using Python, a code-based approach, ideal for developers. Install the Python library, then browse the source JSON into a data frame. Validate the data and create your code, export the JSON into Parquet, and check the output file. The pros: control over schema, fast automation, and it suits structured data sets. The cons: it needs coding skills, struggles with deeply nested or very large data, and some errors are hard to solve. Method 2. Transform a JSON file using free online tools, but only for small data sets. Visit any free website, then browse and upload the raw file. Choose Parquet as the output, start the conversion, then download the Parquet file. The pros: nothing to install and a simple process. But the cons matter: file size limits, privacy concerns, and no support for complex or nested structures. Now the best approach, Method 3, the SysTools JSON Converter tool. It's built for Windows and Mac OS, converts deeply nested and ND JSON files in a few clicks, works completely offline, handles bulk files effortlessly, and keeps the original folder hierarchy. Here are the quick steps. First, run the SysTools software on your machine. Pick any option, add file and folder, to upload your JSON file, then click Next. Select the Parquet file format to make the conversion. Click the Export button to run the process. A pop-up will appear, so tap the OK option. And lastly, click View Report to see the resultant Parquet file. Here are the prime features. It supports batch conversion, and preserves folder structure, nested elements, and schema accuracy. It keeps your data secure and works offline, handles complex and nested JSON quickly, and offers a user-friendly interface with no coding needed. Let's compare. Python needs coding, the converter doesn't, and online needs none. For bulk and nested data, Python and the converter deliver, while online falls short. The converter is 100% offline and private, while online tools offer zero security. In final thoughts, the automated software converts JSON into Parquet instantly and securely. If this helped, like the video, subscribe for more, and tap the link in the description. Thanks for watching.